Yet Mr. David Lytle with the water case in Pueblo, Colorado indicates that I'm the delusional one and incompetent, yet they forced me to proceed while I'm at CMHIP. You should see my filings in this case. They're really good, especially for not having one law book and having a head injury. That, yes, in March 31st, 2016, sheriff officer assaulted me getting out of the van in CMHIP in the garage about noon and slammed the door on my head. Took a really nice neck and head injury, really bad. I'm still having effects from it. And CMHIP said I was just making it up. The officer, the Pueblo sheriff officer, actually, she told the truth that she assaulted me and that she didn't know I was that far out of the van when she slammed the door. And she did tell the truth. And medical did run me to x-rays right away. But when I got back to C2 at CMHIP, they refused me medical and told me that it didn't even happen and that I was delusional and I was making it up. I mean, you talk about some serious abuse. I suffered serious abuse. So anyways, David Lytle, I went to jail, remind you, January 11, 2016. I walked in. They said I was evading the court. However, that day on January 7th, 2016, I called the court because they never notified me that there was a hearing until Samantha Bloodworth called and said I missed the court hearing. Then I said, oh man, so I called the court right away. I called my attorney right away. I showed up at the courthouse the very next day. The judge refused to talk to me. They refused to address any issue of having an appeal and dropping the warrant. My attorney wrote 2 letters and said she would get the warrant dropped, and to no avail. Her name is Samantha Bloodworth. Well, was. I fired her. She never got anything dropped. She never got my liberties, yet there's 2 letters showing that she was going to get it dropped. I was not evading an arrest. I walked in. I was waiting for my attorney to do her job. Well, anyways, January 28, 2016, David Lytle, who's saying that I don't know the law. Huh. Funny. He knows I'm in jail, and he goes and serves this letter for the water case at my home. Talk about a violation of due process and the rights to personal service and proper notice. So, this just gets better and better and better. And I continue to ask them to serve Michael Fronte. They never served him. They never had personal service. Here's another letter he finally did after I wrote a notice to the court that he was illegally serving me and he was trespassing. And I have pictures of it. So then he came and served me another letter here February 3rd at the jail regarding William Hayes. And then he's fabricating more stuff in here. I mean, you're going to have to get these documents. Somebody will. This is going to definitely make a really good true story. It's going to make a good movie and a good book, Pueblo.